Hello student, have a good day. In the topic carboxylic acid and their derivatives, I am completed carboxylic acids and today I am discussing with you derivatives of acids. Then first we see here what is meant by carboxylic acid derivative. Here compound which is derived from acid is called as the carboxylic acid derivative. Then in this carboxylic acid derivative we studied two derivatives of acids. One is the acetyl chloride and next is the acetic anhydride. Then acid ester, acid amide, these are the also derivatives of carboxylic acids. Then first we study here acetyl chloride, CH3COCl. Then acetyl chloride is volatile, pungent smelling liquid. This cannot form hydrogen bond, hence its low boiling point and insolubility in water. Its fume is moist air due to the hydrolysis producing hydrogen chloride gas. In IUPAC system, acid chlorides are named by replacing the E ending of the parent alkane by OYl chloride. The electron withdrawing inductive effect of an acyl chloride is not stabilized by electron pair donation. The electron withdrawing inductive effect of chlorine makes it more electrophilic and more reactive towards nucleophile acyl substitution. Then we study here methods of formation of acetyl chloride. First method, from acid by action with PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride and SOCl2, that is the thionyl chloride. When acetic acid is treated with phosphorus trichloride or phosphorus pentachloride or thionyl chloride, it gives a acetyl chloride. Therefore I am showing the first reaction with PCl5 phosphorus pentachloride. Here acetic acid CH3COOH plus PCl5, it gives CH3COCl, that is acetyl chloride, plus POCl3 plus HCl. Then I am showing here second reaction, acetic acid. Here 3 molecules of acetic acid react with PCl3 phosphorus trichloride, formation of 3 molecules of acetyl chloride, that is 3CH3COCl by releasing H3PO3. H3PO3 is nothing but phosphorus acid. H3PO4 phosphoric acid. Here formation of a phosphorus acid H3PO3. Then third reaction with acetic acid react with thionyl chloride, that is CH3COOH acetic acid, thionyl chloride SOCl2, it gives CH3COCl by releasing SO2 gas and HCl. This is the first method for formation of a acetyl chloride using phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus trichloride and thionyl chloride. Then after methods of preparation, next is the chemical properties of acetyl chloride. Here there are two chemical properties. Then here acetyl chloride is powerful acetylating agent, a reagent that introduces CH3CO group, especially with compounds containing OH group or NH group. Therefore first is the reaction with water and alcohol, that is formation of a ester, and the mechanism is called as the esterification. Then acetyl chloride react with water. I am showing here CH3COCl plus water HOH, formation of a CH3COOH acetic acid plus HCl. Then second reaction, acetyl chloride CH3COCl react with ethanol, formation of a ethyl acetate by releasing water molecule, by releasing HCl molecule here, because we use here instead of acid we use acetyl chloride. General reaction for formation of ester is acid plus alcohol form ester, but here we use acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride react with ethanol, formation of a ethyl acetate. Here Cl from acetyl chloride and H from ethanol release in the form of a HCl and formation of a here ethyl acetate. Then third reaction, acetyl chloride react with phenol. Here CH3COCl, this is the acetyl chloride, phenol C6H5OH. Then formation of a aromatic ester, that is phenyl acetate CH3COOC6H5. This is the reaction. Acetyl chloride react with ethanol, formation of ester. Acetyl chloride react with phenol, formation of ester. And acetyl chloride react with water, formation of a acetic acid. Then second reaction of acetyl chloride is the with ammonia NH3. Therefore CH3COCl plus NH3, formation of a CH3CONH2 plus HCl. Here CH3CONH2 is nothing but the acetamide. Then acetamide is also acid derivative of carboxylic acid. Means any acid react with ammonia, formation of its corresponding formation of its corresponding amide. Means phthalic acid react with ammonia, formation of a phthalimide. Similarly, acetic acid react with ammonia, formation of a acetamide. Similarly, acetyl chloride react with ammonia, formation of a acetamide, that is the CH3CONH2. CONH2 group is called as the amide, and Cl from acetyl chloride and one of the H from ammonia release in the form of a HCl. This is the action of ammonia with acetyl chloride, formation of a acetamide. Then these two are the reactions of acetyl chloride. Then further we study here uses of acetyl chloride. Then first use of acetyl chloride, it is used as a acetylating agent. Mainly acetyl chloride is used as a acetylating agent. The second, it is the important organic reagent. The third one, in the preparation of acetic anhydride, by using acetyl chloride we can form acetic anhydride. And last use of acetyl chloride is in the detection and estimation of alcoholic and amino groups. Means for estimation of alcoholic and amino group, acetyl chloride may be used. Thank you for listening.